pina tātou katoa i rungi te whakarakatahi e. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou.
Nei hoki rā, tātou no Waikato Taniwharau, tākiri ko tatu mai rā. Mihi tonu atu rā kia koutou e mana ki nei rā, te kaupapa o te rā nei e, o te wā nei e, tēnā rā koutou.
Nei rā hoki te mihi ki a koutou, te papa tō more wana koutou hoki, tēnei kaupapa o te Taikura mana ki mai te timatanga, tae no ki tēnei wā, tēnā rā koutou.
Rerenga Wairua. The original tune is Kolana Nā Pua. It's a Hawaiian tune. It's translated Beautiful Are the Flowers. The words were written by Alan. Ke koa ohi Waikalani, writes Prendergast. Tommy Taurima of Ngāti Kahunu became the first New Zealander to receive a Polynesian Cultural Centre Lifetime Award for services to the performing arts. Tommy was presented with the Lei Pulama Aloha Living Treasure Award at the Polynesian Cultural Centre. The song Kōtiro Māori was written by Tommy. He used the tune Kolana Nā Pua, Beautiful Are the Flowers, to accompany the lyrics. Kōtiro Māori is kahungunu, likewise e pārira. Koroki, the big hurt, is waihirere. Just like a closer walk with thee is te hokowhitu atuto. Our culture and history is captured in song favourite tunes, which became legendary songs. Iwi are recognised by their waiata, which became national anthems. Charles Tauhou, Pumi Taituha, o Rere Ahu of Ngāpuhi, composer of the song Le Renga Wairua 1979. The tune Kaulana Ngā Pua became a favourite of Waikato. It was at Ōtiria Marae that Pumi composed this song in the company of our two nannies, Chamana and Rangituri. Tainui had gone to Ngāpuhi that year because Te Ariki Nui, Te Atairangi Kāhu, was asked to speak at the Waitangi Day. But she handed that privilege to Tā Hepi Te Heueu. She said, "Mau he kōrero ki te kāwanatanga. You speak to the government and I'll provide the waiata." On Te Ariki Nui's call, Taniwharau, Te Pauamanga Tāwhiri and Ngāti Maniapoto had formed 100-strong group to be able to present the waiata. The original words are written by Pumi and it goes as follows. Le renga wairua tēnā whakarongo mai, papaki tuana ngā tai o te tokerau, ue one rā he tangata rangatira, te o pauri, ngā puhi nui tonu, e te iwi, tēnei rā, a te rerenga wairua. Hit it, hit it, hit it. beautiful dancers in the front. And in a saying in Waikato, they are performing te kopi kopi. Now, the song itself and also with the beauty of the movements, can we have those two ladies come out front, please? They're shy. The whole purpose of that particular action or that dance is graceful. It's, too many people think it's like, you know, come and dance with me, and that's not it. The nannies way back in the 60s performed the kopi kopi, and it was so beautiful, it was so graceful. And when you see it done, it's done with subtlety, it's done with good intention, it's not to embarrass the men, all right? And so that's what the kopi kopi is all about. Some people on Facebook termed that kind of dance as twerking. How could they insult our culture? So, that's the kopi kopi. Our next waiata is Kingitanga. Uenuku, the same composer Charles, better known as Pumi Taituha, wrote this song. He wrote the song at Taniwharau in front of one of our meeting houses. The words acknowledge the teaching and the legacies of the second Māori king, King Tawhiao. His rule was the most tumultuous rule of all ariki of the Kingitanga. It was a period where the colonial government breached Tawhiao's trust in order to take land and control Waikato Māori. Governor George Grey schemed and branded Waikato as rebels. He needed a reason to take our land, which gave the British a reason to wage war against Waikato. For the purpose of stealing its land, the British killed our tupuna. They seized 1.2 million acres of land, and thereafter, 1864, it had created a policy to warrant the legal theft of 1.2 million acres of land. That act was called the 1863 Settlement Act. The words of inspiration are instilled in this waiata, Kingi Tawhiao e koro, maranga mai rā anga mai nei, kei ngā whakatekau, whakawairua tanga ko ngā tumanako, ngā mihi nui, a nei, Kingi Tawhiao uinuku. doubt that many of you here are wondering, how was the Kingitanga formed? With regards to the Kingitanga, it starts with a trip across the seas to Australia. Te akeirautangi of Hikairo Kawhia went to Australia in search of whānau. In a conversation with another, he returned with the idea of creating one leader for Aotearoa, for Māoridom. He shared his thoughts to his tribe, Ngāti Hikairo, Kaumatu, who strongly recommended that they take the suggestion to its paramount chief, Pōtatau Te Wherowhero. The ariki, upon hearing the kōrero, he directed that the idea be put to the motu, whiua tu ki te motu. Many warrior leaders, stately men like Hongihika of the North, Pirikāwau of Ātiawa, Taranaki, Tamihana Te Rauparaha of Ngāti Toa, had considered themselves ideal for the role. Martin Te Whiwhi of Raukawa decided he would champion the role of driver. He reached out with a specific criteria to Whanganui, Te Arawa, Ngāti Parau, Kahungunu, to Wharetoa, Ngāti Toarangatira, and even Waikato, all of whom had declined. Iwiko Te Heuheu Tūkino III had already approached Waikato, Kaumatu, to suggest that Pōtatau Te Wherowhero become king, to consider the position. A criteria process was established to eliminate the chaos and disorder. However, all probable candidates effectively chose not to consider the position. In 1856, a hui was established at Pukawa on the western shore of Lake Taupo. It was there that the preference of an individual, being Pōtatau, be supported to become king. 1,800 chiefs attended that hui, which they formed a binding agreement that Pōtatau Te Wherowhero of Waikato be chosen as king. It was at this hui that Pōtatau's Te Wherowhero's region was described by Iwiko Te Heuheu Tūkino III as Waikato Taniwharau. He piko he taniwha. He followed with this statement, Hinana ki uta, hinana ki tai. Tirohia ngā wāhi no hoai ngā taniwha, tirohia ngā wāhi no hoai ngā rangatira, ka ki ei te kōreo ko Pōtatau Te Wherowhero, te tangata, ko taupiri te maunga, ko Waikato te awa, ko Waikato te iwi, Waikato horopounamu, Waikato Taniwharau, he piko he taniwha. It's important that you understand this saying did not come from us. It came from tū wharetoa. Kia marama, kia mōhi o tātou. Hinana ki uta was the name of the pātaka at Pukawa. And the saying, however, became the official name of the hui held there in 1856. Ka tū ko ngā hui o ngā pau a iwi, there were 8 huis that were held within Taniwharau. The purpose of those hui were to stop the alienation, further land sales of remaining land, to stop intertribal warfare, to hold fast to the absolute tino rangatira mana motuhake of the Kingitanga. At this hui that was held at Pukawa, ko tahi te whakatau o ngā rangatira I taua huiraka. And they proclaimed Pōtatau Te Wherowhero of Waikato as king of the Kingitanga. A nei whiua ki te motu. Rā te haiaka, tākina te ripa ki te tara o tauwhare. The song unites in its lyrics all the maunga, the 35 mountains throughout New Zealand, the summit of Tongariro to Taupiri, te heuheu to Kino Mananui II, Iwiko te heuheu to Kino III. In accepting the position with great reluctance, Pōtatau te Wherowhero was inaugurated as king on the 2nd of May, 1858 at Ngārua Wāhia. Ngā mihi kua mihia. This next item is a tribute to our tūpuna, to our families and whānau, our loved ones, who have passed away over the veil. Rātou kua whiturangitia. Ngā mihi kua mihia, ngā kupu pū rākau. Ngā tangi kōrero, hei tauira. Ka whakapapapau namu te moana nui, e kui e koromā, haere, haere rā. The hands of Manaakitanga, ngā ringa wero of ngā marae of tūranga wāwai throughout Waikato, for the Kingitanga. Ngā maramara, our loved ones who have passed away, we will remember them. Our ringa mahi from the dungeon of Kimiora to the marae Atea of Mahinarangi. Kaumātua sitting in the rain, the cold, the frost. They kept the Kingitanga warm. We remember them, our celestial stars. Ko waitera, kei runga o maunga, anei, ngā mihi kua mihia. Ka herea ngā maunga ki Tongariro. Ki te taumata o taupiri, ka puta he kini. Taikura is a kaupapa that brings warmth. It elevates the kaumātua to recall the memories of their youth. The pride in their āhua, their voices being Māori every day and in every way. Being proud of who we are. Kaumātua, the jewel in the crown. The priceless moments we share. We have value. We have mana. We have knowledge. We are the repositories of ngā taonga tuku iho, our cultural heritage. The friendships we've made together, we remember those who brought mana to this kaupapa. E tama koutou te poari kuangaro. Not only the big groups, but the small groups also. They took to the stage with pride. Taikura is not about being the best group. It's about the richness of sharing, enjoying, and living our last years out just by enjoying ourselves. We are the cultural heritage and the identity of our world. We are Māori proud. Matariki tautoru, tāwera te whetū, nāna koe I hari mai ki Waikato. E te iwi, I give you Waikato Taniwharau, e noho ana I te mahau o Kimikimi. While the group is just settling down, that song was written by Te Puea Herangi, granddaughter of King Tawhiao. She wrote the song because she felt for the child that they were raising. She was sick. But Te Puea also, she worried about what would happen to the future of her people when she had passed. You've been treated with La Paloma, Billy Vaughan's orchestra, for all of you who are of that age. Put your hand up. Billy Vaughan, nobody's that old. Oh, I must be the only one. Taniwharau group, one of the founding iwi since 2006. And with the 7 iwi, is that we continue to take the stage. The beauty of the celestial stars with the land. We wish you each and every one of you the best in health, the best to your families, to those loved ones. We continue to remember them. Tēnā koutou. Tēnā koutou. Safe travels, everyone. Keep well, keep strong. Tēnā koutou. Out.
E Morauranga Tirama, Waikato.